And now, ladies and gentlemen, we go to the realm of innovative entrepreneurship, and we'd like to honor an innovator from the world of finance, the founder, chairman, and managing director of Financial Technologies India Limited, Mr. Jignesh Shah, for his outstanding contribution to innovative entrepreneurship. Globally recognized as, may I request him to kindly come and stand here, Mr. Jignesh Shah, please. People will see you as well whilst I read out your introduction. Globally recognized as a pioneer and an innovator in creating technology-driven commodity and financial market infrastructure, Mr. Shah is a serial entrepreneur who has taken his financial technology group from rupees 5 lakhs in 1995 to rupees 10,000 crores in 2006. He has put India on the global map of financial and commodity markets and is well known for his practical business acumen at grassroots level connection and is often described as the face of the new generation Indian entrepreneur. Mr. Jignesh Shah was recently honored with the prestigious MEDC Entrepreneur of the Year Award for 2005-2006 by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Vilasrao Deshmukh, who I hope will be coming in soon. He's also been invited to receive the USA India Business Leader of the Year Award for 2005-2006 by US Impact in Washington, D.C. at the hands of Senator Hillary Clinton. This is for his contribution in helping integrate rural India with global markets. A capitalist with a socialistic heart. His ambition is to see financial technologies and group companies help bridge the economic divide by integrating rural India with global markets. CLSA, the leading Asia-Pacific research institution, has recognized him as among the 20 top Indian entrepreneurs and inducted him into the Hall of Fame alongside business leaders like the late Dhirubhai Ambani and Mr. Narayan Murthy. May I now request Mr. Jignesh Shah to kindly come and receive his award from Shri Kamal Nath. And I will also request Shri Kamal Nath to kindly present the scroll to him. Many congratulations, Mr. Jignesh Shah. May I now request you to take the mic and say a few words in response. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome him.
Mr. Rupani, Mr. Kamal Nath, Mr. Jayant Patil, His Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to receive awards from an NGO, Priyadarshini Academy. It gives me and my team great encouragement to drive our mission, which is, we call it as a Brand India mission. What does it mean by it? That we don't want, we practice information technology, and we believe that time has come whereby India should not be just recognized as source of optimal or cheap labor, but it should also be recognized as world-class story from India with global valuation and global respectability. Using technology, we have created the India's and one of the world's best commodity exchange, and I will just narrate only 3 criteria before I conclude the speech. In less than 1,000 days, after government has allowed to start the commodity exchange, we could reach 1,000 towns, we could reach a turnover of 10,000 crore. We are now today amongst the first 10 commodity exchanges of the world, out of 110 in the world. We are second largest in the world in terms of gold trading. We are the third largest in terms of silver, and that is despite India is not having a convertible currency. India is not allowed with bank, mutual fund and FI to trade in commodities, and India is yet to trade options. This is all power of retail India, and that's what I believe. We call it as Bharat. Thank you.